Hello everyone, this is Stuart from Bonnerig RV Life. This video is about replacing HWH leveling jack springs. We have a 2011 Tiffin Phaeton 40-foot QTH, and there are 4 leveling jacks, each with 2 springs, 2 leveling jacks on the front, 2 leveling jacks on the back. In the last couple of weeks I've changed 3 out of 4 spring sets. I made a video of all that and decided that the video was pretty long and pretty pointless, so what I did was yesterday I replaced the rear driver's side springs, and I took photographs which I'm putting together into a kind of progression showing each step. So wanted to mention a couple of things here. The tools that you need to do this work are wood shims or other spacer that can be placed between the coils of the springs. I'm reading from my notes here. You need gloves. Bottle jack, a small bottle jack with a 6-inch long footprint or thereabouts would be very useful, if not crucial. And a mat for lying on the ground when you're underneath the rig. And then I used 2 ratchet straps tied between 2 trees, and that's for extending the springs. When you get the new springs, you have to tension them using ratchet straps, and then you place the shims between them. So a couple of tips. The time taken, or the time required for each jack set, is approximately 3 to 6 hours. The large variance is dependent on how much fiddling you have to do. It's very finicky. It's a difficult job. It looks easy, it isn't. You have to get under the rig, you have to do lots of fiddling to get the old springs off, get the new springs on. A couple of tips. One is that you should replace the springs on the jacks that are extended the most. So the site that we're on right now, the rig slopes from front to back, so the back jacks are extended much more than the front jacks. This gives you more space. They're stretched further, the coils are further apart, meaning then you can put more shims in there to be able to get the old springs, the old springs off. Then the procedure is shim the old springs, raise the jacks. That's when you need the bottle jack to push the jack back up, because the springs are shimmed. The jacks do not elevate enough, and you have to use some kind of jack. I use the bottle jack to push the leveling jack, which is under hydraulic pressure, back up. Then you get some loose play in the springs and you can take them off. But again, finicky. You're underneath the rig, especially when the springs are up. The space underneath the rig is less, so you got limited space and limited access to take the old springs off. Okay, so I think that'll do it. I just wanted to do a short summary of what's required. If you have any questions when I put this on YouTube, just write in the comments and I'll try and answer the questions. I've looked at a few YouTube videos that make this look very easy. I can assure you it is not. Especially we're in Texas right now. It was like 95 degrees yesterday, lots of sweat, lots of toil, but I got the job done. Anyway, enjoy the sequence, and for anybody who wants to change leveling springs, it can be done. It's just a very time consuming, difficult, finicky job.